Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm come back and show you the second tutorial. And for this Shabby Chic dangle flower, okay, this one. So you can use this to make your add to your charm, dangle charm or whatever. Like this. This is the single layer and this double layer, and this one I use 3 layers to make this one. So yeah, for this one, you in your set you will receive this. I print all this in this fabric, and you have to fussy cut out. Okay, and you need the needle and thread, and this one I already fussy cut out. For this one, I will cut out the leaf because I will use later. Okay, this one is, yeah, I will make this in 2 layer. And for the single layer, I didn't cut out, I just use this one. Okay, if you want, you can cut these pieces out, okay, the big, this for the first layer. Let me go take the scissors. Yeah, this one sharp. For the first layer, I will cut these 2 big leaves out, and just like so, very simple, and fold it and use the needle. Hook this one, because this one, if you will cut this out just like this. Okay, and the big leaves I will adhere here, the small leaf still in together with the fabric. Okay, yeah, I show you one. Cut just these 2 big leaves out, and this is the light color, and I will the dark color will outside, just like so. You just roll it, like make a rosebud. So you got this like a rosebud. If you want, you can remove all the leaves out. I think, yeah, better just like this one. Then you add here, glue back, yeah, the leaves. Okay, like so. Just screw it, just roll it. Very simple. Oh, okay, and use the needle. Sew it. Okay, so you got this rose here, and the leaves, you don't throw all the leaves away, you have to use it back. So yeah, this one, the small one, you can use the hot glue, or just this one, you can use this. Okay, use hot glue, or you use the needle to sew it. Yeah, for my flower is just very easy way to make. Okay, like so. So you got this one, and I will use this size. I will provide in the kit also, this set, so you can use this one. Before that, if you want to make the ring, so you have to use this let me see. Okay, This also you can find it in your yeah. So yeah, this one, the leaf enough. If you, yeah, you have to tie the knot here, okay, and cut it up. So you got this here, and before that you have to poke this in because I want to make the like a tank. Yeah, you can hold it. But if easy for you, before you roll, yeah, you roll this together with the, how to call this thing, so this, cut it shorter. If this is too long, then you have to cut it shorter. Make it short, shorter. Okay. Just bend it and make a hook here. Oh, I did it wrong. Because I forget to put the cap in. Yeah, before that you have to put the cap in. Okay, you have to put the cap in first. Sorry, out of frame. Put the cap in, then you make a hook here. Okay, like so. So you got this one. Very easy. So you can use this into your charm or anything. So this is the rosebud, one layer. For the two layer also, I will cut off all the leaves away. Okay. So the same, this one, this is 2 layer, 2 and 3 layer, also the same. Okay, first you have to make the rosebud first. Okay, sorry, because my eye, yeah, infection, I cannot see so clear. So I have to, yeah, just like so, and use the needle just like the one. I forget to tie the knot, but I don't pull too near. Yeah, okay, just like so. So you've got the rosebud. And this one I will not, you can see which way you like. You want this side, yeah, both way also the same. So yeah, you put like so. Okay, you put like so, and before that you have to poke your needle out. Okay, like so, and I will sew it together. Sew it together. So you got this like so, and you want 3 layer, then you have to just follow up. Okay, so you got 3 layer. Okay, this one, because I don't have any more, I don't want to cut again, so I just make the 2 layer. If you want 2 layer or thicker or bigger, you can adjust. Okay, so you add on the leaves here. the leaves. Sorry, that one had to trim. Yeah, my eye quite blur. Okay, and I want to add another leaves if I have more. So that one drop on the floor. Let me to pick up another leaf. Okay, and I will trim this also, and I will put this side. Just like so, and I will sew it together. Doesn't matter if not pretty, because you will cover with the cap later. Just okay, I try to make it nice. This side, and the leaf is also look for it. Okay, and tie the knot. So I got this big flower here. You 3 layer, you different. Okay, and use the cap. Get big. So this is the cap here. You put this cap in. Okay, and I put this in first. For easy way, cause if the fabric thick, it's really hard to poke this out. You have to cut a small hole here and let this come out. Okay, so you got this here, Shabby Chic, and put in the cap. So you got this one. Focus. Okay, so you cast this short and make a hook here, so you can hang this. Okay, this is the 2 layer, and this is just a 1 layer, and you can make 3 layer. 3 layer will come up like so. Okay, and you can use anything to hold this. What I give, provide is I will give the pearl. You also can see what tiny trim or string or chain to hold this. Okay, you can make this as a earring. Okay, anything, so this one. Okay, and hope you like this flower, and just leave me a comment on if you have any question. Okay, and I will come back and do another tutorial to show you another flower or embellishment. So this is how the flower turned up. Okay, thanks again for everyone.